This app's appears show you
How to change auto lock time on iPhone. Follow these easy and step-by-step tutorial to change your iPhone auto lock time. Go ahead and launch your iPhone settings app. Scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Here scroll down and tap on auto lock. And here you will get bunch of different auto lock times. You can select any of them. If you want your iPhone automatically lock after 30 seconds, select here 30 seconds. If you want to disable your iPhone auto lock, then you can select never. That's how we can change our iPhone screen auto lock time on iPhone. This is how we can change our screen auto lock time on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.